Exercise, exercise, exercise. Okay, let's talk about rehab, you guys. Rehabilitation is insanely important, okay? I just want to emphasize this. Many people have been to chiropractic, and many people have been to PT, and many people have been to orthopedic surgeons, and many people have been to osteopaths, and have tried this and tried that, and nothing worked. Well, if you get properly adjusted and you don't ignore the extremities, right? Chiropractic is not just the spine. You have joints all over the place. Ear, jaw, spine, shoulders, hips. So we do a good job of checking the entire spine, and we remove anything that's locked up. You can't exercise if your joints are locked up. You're gonna be pushing through something that doesn't move with you, okay? So that's number one. Number two, rehab, okay? If you have weak areas, you're not gonna be able to hold the alignment. One of the number one things I hear is, oh, I went to my chiropractor and I have to go all the time. Well, it's likely you're not exercising. And if maybe you are, and then you're not exercising the right spot, that's gonna get really frustrating. So we have built a whole new rehab center. We have physical therapists, osteopaths, DOs, NDs that all work with us. I have special chiropractic assistants that go over the rehab that I have on Patient Portal. If you are struggling at all holding your adjustments or didn't get results at another clinic, we will get the job done for you because of our resources and our teamwork approach with all of the providers that I have at my office. So we look forward to answering your rehab questions. I hope you understand how important strength is. We will be doing some detailed videos on this as the year unfolds, so stay tuned and get out there and do those rehab exercises. For those of you that are patients, you know you got a folder with that yellow sheet. On the back of the box are the exercises we recommended, and when you come in for checkups, we will give you new ones if you get bored, but you got to let us know, because our job is to keep you lined up. Your job is to stay strong.